Today we're teaching you how to make pancakes. Okay, first step, wash your hands. Come on. He's been trained for 50 years to make pancake batter. Y'all, he's a professional. Y'all. Now, to the ingredients. Okay, so first up we have milk. You have that milk. And then we got an egg. And then we got our pancake batter. Okay, and then second we got stevia. It's just sweeter, I think healthier sugar. And then we got tomatoes. Tomatoes, and you gotta have diced. That's like the best kind to do it with these, but yeah, okay. And then we got a secret ingredient that we're not gonna show for right now. Oh yeah. Okay, so put this in there. Get a big old scoop. Try not to spill it everywhere. We'll put it over the... See, that's good. No, that's good. That's good. Okay, now dump it in there. Harder. Good boy. Try not to spill, sweetie. Oh gosh. Yes. No, it's good. Okay, got it. Time to crack the egg. Good. Time to mix. Okay, you can mix it a little bit harder. Tomato time. Oh, yummy. Yumsicle. Hunter, go fetch the secret ingredient. Okay, time for the secret ingredient reveal. Pour time. Please. So bad. We're professionals. We know what we're doing. That actually smells like good. That smells like salsa or something. Time to cook the pancakes. Okay, ready for this? So chunky. Big. This is our spatula that we are using. Looks very tasty. Yeah? 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 Hey! Gotta put that stuff on. Oh. We forgot to put that stuff that makes it not stick.
In front of Pam.
Stop the video! I'm just kidding, it's good.
Oh, hey! Hey, that looks good! That looks actually good! How? How did this happen?
Okay, I think it's done. That was our first one. This actually works out. Okay, pause it, stop it. Okay, it's about time to flip. You ready? There we go.
Oh my gosh.
It spilled on me. Look at a little circle. Circle. Gotta make them nice and poofy. Okay, flipping time. Whoa! Beautiful. We are insane. Sniff it.
Toppings.
Get your Sriracha. Get your stevia.
I'll go grab some forks.
Yeah, good. Grab some
I'm
foods.
gonna take the apron off.
Looks good, I guess.
Guys, I'm gonna try
Put it on all of it? What the?
Stevia tastes gross. 3, 2, 1.
It's like scrambled eggs. Ooh, there's a spice. Ooh. Ooh.
Oh.
Ooh. Ooh.
That's not bad.
Here, I know. I got it down.
You know what's missing?
I put nothing. We just have to.
Yeah, a fourth is just gonna be plain, which is the one we already bit out of.
Hunter! No, I'm trying to open that.
Lick Sriracha off the fork.
It's not Sriracha.
Oh, I'm not licked it. Alright,
3.
I got 2 tomatoes.
3, 2, 1.
What? How does it taste good?
That's not bad. That's really good.
How does it taste okay? You know, I'm starting to like think that Nutella is actually an okay thing. It just tastes like chocolate. Not gonna lie.
Isn't this supposed to be a video that
this is
is
from my
bad
It
food?
was supposed to be bad.
It was supposed to be bad, but 3, 2,
Use my hands.
1. It's kind of like sour. Not a bad one to get into it, but
Doesn't taste bad.
that's just bad. It's just like kind
They're
of
spicy.
yeah. Okay, ready for
All
this?
right, ready for the spicy one. This one is like actually.
Oh, I got a massive tomato right
my
there.
Gosh!
Guys, get your water in your hand.
Get your water ready.
3,
2,
2,
2,
1.
1.
My tongue!
No, thank you.
It's like pink. Those are tomatoes.
Yeah.
What the heck, guys?
Just try a bite.
These shouldn't go together.
Well, they taste good together.
It's so wrong. It's
Hey,
tomato.
the Italian spot of it, we can think of it too.
Oh, we need her water. What? See, it's not bad.
I mean, I don't think I'd eat this like on a regular basis, but like
It's not bad.
it's not horrible. It's not really a dessert food though anymore.
It's like a breakfast food.
It's supposed to be breakfast and dinner.
This is basically the Italian version of a breakfast burrito.
Next time on How To.
We'll be showing you how to make popsicles.